Hello guys, it's your boy Ken right here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a video on pumpkin rice and some curry chicken. So journey with me. First step, we got pumpkin peel ready, shred pumpkin. So that's the look of it. So it's coming out. So we're dealing with the rice. So we get through with the pumpkin now with the coconut. So it's a coconut pumpkin rice. So you're gonna cut your coconut real nice, give them some dice so that it can blend nice and easy. So nice diced coconut, so that when you're blending, you have no problem. Now we're gonna do our herbs and spices for the curry chicken. So some scallion, aka green onion. Nice cuts like usual. So we have bell pepper, yellow, red, then the green bell pepper, we have some onions, yellow onions, Irish potato, diced Irish, some carrots, scotch bonnet pepper. The curry should be spicy for those who like spices. We have some tomatoes. That's fine. Hot. Curry. So we're gonna put some ginger inside. No, not gonna make them too small because you don't want it to leave in the disappear with the meat. And then we have thyme. So guys, this is my herb and spices prepared for the meat. My curry chicken herbs and spices. Okay guys, next step, this is my chicken, nicely cut for curry, washed with vinegar and lime juice, ready to prepare. So first, I'm gonna add some curry powder, my special mix, and a little bit more salt, my wet seasoning, which is Nelly's jerk, and then you're gonna rub it in together. Okay, that's a nice look seasoned curry chicken. So guys, the fun part, we start cooking. So that's the pot for the rice, some water, then we're gonna add our coconut. Remember, it's coconut pumpkin rice. Then we're gonna add the pumpkin inside. rich pumpkin with the coconut. It's that nice color. If I can get all the pieces of pumpkin. Then you're gonna leave it for a minute or two for the pumpkin to boil a little bit without the rice. So yes guys, we're gonna add our herbs and spices. That's thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and green onion, scallion. They have that inside. As I said, they give him 2 to 5 minutes boil over before the rice go in. So while this is getting the 2 to 5 minutes boil, we're gonna wash our rice, get prepared, and start preparing our chicken. So follow me. Guys, now for the curry chicken, we're gonna do the oil. You know me, coconut oil. Then we're gonna burn little of this curry. Okay guys, we're gonna burn the curry. Then you have your chicken in that curry. Alright. Leave it like that for a while. Guys, we're moving back to the rice. This is one then we're gonna wash our rice. So yes guys, wash your rice nice and properly. Drain first set of water. Then we're gonna get more water. My rice is washed. Yes guys, you see that? Nice, the pumpkin boiled and ready. With the coconut, now we're gonna add the rice to it. No butter in this one. The pumpkin is very creamy, so the pumpkin and the coconut make work perfect. Give it a nice flavor, so you don't need no butter, all of that. Then, yes guys, so then nice rice, stir, and the fire is supposed to be on medium heat at this moment. See, our chicken coming out nicely, and we're gonna add our seasonings, herb and spice and vegetables. Beautiful color. You're gonna leave it to simmer for some time just now. Check on the rice. It's coming on as well. Right. Curry cooking down, cooking nice. You have a little bit more water to it. Give it a nice stir. finally, whenever this is down to the nice thick gravy, you can turn this off and serve curry chicken, guys. After you add more water, now it's reaching to the simmering process. So I add a little more seasoning to it, salt and powder seasoning to that. Then you're gonna taste piece to make sure it's alright. Yes, guys. Nice. Leave it for simmering. So guys, thank you for watching one more video. My pumpkin coconut rice and curry chicken. This is your finished product, guys. Okay guys, now is the fun part because I'm gonna taste this. Nice rice, guys. So yes guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, pass on the message. So Jamaican cuisine with a twist. Thank you guys. Peace out. See you next time.